Hello everyone, Kat here. Today I'll be showing you how to enable comments for your YouTube video or short. First go into YouTube Studio, which you can download through Play Store or App Store. Click on the video you want to enable comments on, then click on this pencil. Scroll down to Tags, Categories, and Comments. Go into it, then click on Comments. Now what you'd want to do is select Allow All Comments or Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for Review. I'd recommend the second option since it's what I use in all my videos. Once you've done that, it should work, but if you still have no comment section, try going into Select Audience, then click on Not Made for Kids so YouTube doesn't automatically disable comments. This won't count as adult content as long as you don't restrict your video for 18+. Hello, this is Editor Kat here. I didn't say this in the video, but make sure to hit save before exiting, or it won't save the edits. If you'd like to enable comments for a short, it's the same process. Click on the short, click on the pencil, scroll down to more options, you get the point. If you tried the tutorial and it still doesn't work, please let me know in the comments and I'll do another tutorial with more detail. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys get the comment section you deserve.